I recently did a video where I was showing you guys step by step how you can make money in the Forex market using a very simple strategy at the open of major market sessions like the London session or the New York session. That video has gotten a lot of interactions, it has gotten viral, and it has helped a lot of people. And on this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys on my $200,000 funded account how much I'm going to be able to make or lose in Forex trading. Always plan for the outcome. How much I'm going to be able to make or lose, but I know the odds are going to be in my favor. So how much I'm going to be able to make on this particular trade using the same strategy. I showed you guys on just the theoretical part of it and why the market behaves the way it behaves. But on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the real live market trades using my real money. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ndemazeah Godlove, and on this channel we talk everything about trading, business, personal finance, and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis. So if you're watching my content and you haven't subscribed, or if this is your first time coming to my channel, take a second and smash that subscribe button, that red subscribe button below, to subscribe to the channel so that you can always be updated anytime I come up with dope content like this. So it's simple. I'm just going to be going straight into my computer, and the first step I'm going to be showing you guys is how you can quickly analyze the market to know where, to have an idea of where the market might be going, right? So if you can just come here on my screen, you can see the market just opened about 2 minutes ago. And how do you choose to know if you're going to be buying or selling? I always say, if the trend on the previous market session was a downtrend, then the opening of a major session or the opening of the next session, there's a high probability the market is going to reverse. For reasons I already explained to you guys, like a change in liquidity, entry of new participants into the market, arrival of hedge funds and new big traders, trading psychology, news releases, a lot of things that cause the market, that will cause the market to reverse. So what I do is I just quickly come to the higher time frame, and if the higher time frame, if the trend on the higher time frame is a downtrend, and the trend on the lower time frame prior to the major market session is the opposite trend, then I'm going to be trading in the direction of the higher time frame. I already explained that on the previous video. If you guys can see, this is Great Britain Pound JPY, and I want to just remove this indicator. If we just do a quick analysis, you can see the market is forming what? It's forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So this is obviously a downtrend. I don't even need to go far. This is obviously a downtrend on what? On Great Britain Pound JPY. So since I already know on the higher time frame, you can use either the daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame. Since I already know on the 4-hour time frame that this is a downtrend, and then if I go to the 5-minute time frame, let's just quickly go to the 5-minute time frame. You can be able to see, if we are just waiting, we are just looking, if we can see it, if we can see the trend in the opposite direction. Remember, on the overall higher time frame, it was a downtrend. So if the trend on the 5-minute time frame prior to the new market session is an opposite trend, which is now an uptrend, then we're going to be selling. So let's just put our indicator back and then zoom this out. Voila, voila, voila. So you can see the trend before the London session, the Tokyo session was what? Was an uptrend. The overall trend on the high time frame the overall trend on the higher time frame says it was a down, that the market is overall in a downtrend. So we're going to be selling directly here. So that is what you do. You do your analysis on the higher time frame to know the overall market trend. And if the trend prior to the current market, if the trend on the session prior to the current market session is in the opposite direction, then you're going to be trading in the direction of the trend on the higher time frame. As easy as that. All right, so that is that. We're going to be taking our trades now on other currency pairs, and then I'll update you guys at the end of the session so that you can know how much we're able to make. The New York market just opened now, and as you guys can see clearly, the market has been on a clear downtrend on the previous major market session, which was the London session. All right, so let's just start with the first currency pair, because the currency pair we're going to be using has to actually have the United States dollar, since we're going to be trading it under the New York session or the American session. So the currency pair has to have
the United States dollar or the Canadian dollar, because you can still call it the New York session or the North American session. All right. So the currency pair must have the United States dollar, USD, or Canadian dollar as one of the currency in the currency pair. So this is gold SAU USD, and on this currency pair, it is, you can see clearly it is on a downtrend, and on the overall downtrend, I've seen that this currency pair was in an uptrend. So we're going to be taking our buy right here. All right. So we're going to be taking our buy right here. Where is it? Let me just go here and go on buy. So we're getting into the market right here. My stop loss is always below the box, below the previous session box. So my stop loss is going to be there, and I'll go for a risk to reward of, let's go for a risk to reward of 1:2.5. I always go for 1:2, but let's go for 1:2.5. All right. So that is the trade, guys. That is the trade. Let's quickly buy. That is gold. So I'm just going to quickly buy on gold. SAU USD. This is SAU USD. Let me go to trade, and then I'm going to be using the 5 lot size, since this is my $200,000 funded account. So let's use the 5 lot size and buy. Good. So that is that about gold. That is my that's my funded account. This one is already funded, so I'm going to be taking it on that account. So let's see. Let's go to USD JPY or Great Britain Pound USD. The same thing. We're going to be buying somewhere here. Our stop loss below here, and this one will go for 1:2. That is 1:2. So we're going to be buying Great Britain Pound USD. Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, so let's just click like this. Let's filter and go to Great Britain Pound USD right here. This is Great Britain Pound USD. We go to trade and then click on buy. That's it, on buy. Okay, let's quickly go to the next currency pair on our list, which is Euro USD. Euro USD, the same thing. Done my analysis. You can see on the previous session the market has been falling. This one, the trend is not that powerful, but we're going to scalp in a position, guys. Let's go stop loss here. Risk to reward 1:2. It's going to be here. Boom. So we're going to be buying Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's buy Euro USD. Where is Euro USD? Euro USD should be Euro USD, trade and buy. Boom. So you can see, let's go back to the order is placed on the saver. Let's just wait and see. I don't know why the saver is delaying. Okay, so the trade has been placed. Those are the 4 pairs right there up and running. I'm just going to put down my stop loss and my take profit on all the trade. But that is it, guys. You guys can see I'm just risking almost about, on each trade, I'm risking about 15 pips to go for about 30 to 45 pips. It's just a scalp in and out of the market at the start of a new market session, and we are good to go. So in a couple of hours, as you guys can see, the market is just fluctuating around the entry point. In a couple of hours, I'll be able to come back and update you guys on this trade. We're going to be closing our trades right now. So you can see the Great Britain Pound USD and the gold pair is almost up by almost about $3,000, and we already clocked $1,000 on Euro USD. So I think this is almost, if I have to show you on my computer, you can see this is almost going to 20 o'clock. That's 8 p.m. my time, which from 8 p.m. going to 11 p.m. This is going to the close of the New York session, and normally I don't like staying in the market for this long, all right? So by this time of the day, if my targets haven't been hit yet, then I usually just close the trade. And you can see this is my target, just about 5 pips to my take profit on Great Britain Pound USD. And on gold, gold, I still have a long way to go. Let's go on gold and see what's going on. On gold, I still have almost, this is our entry. So on gold, we still have about half of the way to go. So we're going to be closing our trades on both gold and Great Britain Pound USD now. So let's quickly close on Great Britain Pound USD. Boom. And let's again close on gold. Boom. We're done for the day, guys. We're done for the day on this account, and you can see we made almost about that's almost about $4,500 on this trade, or $4,000 or so on both currency pairs. You can see those are the profits on the screen. As simple as that. My strategy was very simple. At the start of the market session, you can see here it is written New York very, very big. So at the start of the session, I got in, my target was just here, and I already explained to you guys, make sure you get in at the start of the session. So if the overall trend is a downtrend, then you do your analysis on the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, and if the trend on the daily time frame or the high time frame is opposite to the previous session trend, then you're going to be trading in the direction of the overall market trend on the higher time frame. So the trend on the higher time frame was a bullish trend, but now the London session closer to the New York session was what? Was a bearish trend, which was counteracting the trend on the higher time frame. So that's why I entered right here at the start of the New York session. Let me do this so that you guys can see. This is the start of the New York session right here. It started right here, all right? Got in on gold, got in here. My target, I was going for a risk to reward of 2:5, and I couldn't hit 2:5, but was best case scenario, I still came out with almost about $1,000 profit. Great Britain Pound USD, the same thing. Got in, so the trend prior to the release of, or the trend prior to the New York session was a downtrend. Overall market trend was an uptrend. So I got in here, stop loss here, take profit here, and we're just left about 5 pips to hit our take profit, and I've closed the trade on about $1,400. Then Euro USD, as simple as that. The trend prior to the New York session was still a downtrend, and what happened? New York came in somewhere here. We got in here, our take profit somewhere here. That was a risk to reward of 1:2, and boom, this one we smashed our take profit with profits of $1,000. So in total, we made almost about $4,000 using this simple strategy, which anyone can practice. You're not going to see this every day, but it's a strategy. You just have to know how it works, so that when you see an opportunity like this, you capitalize on that.
So as you guys can see on this currency pairs, we're able to take our trades on SAU USD, we took our trades on Great Britain Pound USD, we took trades on Euro USD, and at the end of the day, we made almost about $4,000. So this is a simple strategy that you're not going to be seeing this every day. There's no guarantee that you'll be seeing this every day, but you already have this strategy at the back of your mind. You know, anytime I see this strategy, I'm going to be able to capitalize on it. Anytime I see this strategy, I already know what to do, or anytime I see setups like this, I already know what to do. So if you've gotten some value so far, make sure you smash the thumb up on the video, and if you want to be in my team, if you want us to trade together, make sure you check the link below to join Godlove University. If you want my recommended brokers, recommended prop firms, or if you want to use Paytrex Pro, which is the most viral robot now, check the links on the video description. Also check the link on the video description to join my free Telegram community or my VIP Telegram community. Click here to watch a video which I made related to this, to watch the original strategy. Also click here to watch a playlist that has a lot of strategies that will help you to trade in the Forex market. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.